In the name of God, we are at your service with another video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel to be informed about the uploading of our other informative and interesting videos and watch our other videos as well. Now I will focus your attention on watching the new video. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger technology that allows data to be stored across a network of computers in a secure, tamper-proof, and transparent manner. It was originally developed as the underlying technology for the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but it has since been adapted for various other use cases. In a blockchain, data is stored in blocks that are linked together in a chronological sequence. Each block contains a set of transactions or data records, and a unique identifier called a cryptographic hash. The hash of the previous block is included in the current block, creating a chain of blocks that are cryptographically linked. This makes the blockchain secure and immutable, as changing the content of a block would require changing the hash of every subsequent block. Some key features of blockchain technology include decentralization. There is no central authority that controls or manages the blockchain. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers called nodes, which validate and record transactions. Security. Blockchain uses advanced cryptography to ensure that the data stored on it is secure and tamper-proof. Once a block has been added to the chain, it is extremely difficult, practically impossible, to alter its contents retroactively. Transparency. All participants in the network can view the entire transaction history on the blockchain, fostering trust and accountability. Consensus mechanisms. In order to add new blocks to the chain, nodes in the network must reach a consensus on the validity of the transactions. This is typically achieved through consensus algorithms like proof of work (POW) or proof of stake (POS). Blockchain technology has potential applications in a wide range of industries, such as finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and many more. It is considered a disruptive technology, as it has the potential to transform traditional business models and create new opportunities for value creation.